HDPOWER Test Equipment Company Limited, founded in 2010, is a high-tech and innovative enterprise with independent R&D and mature production lines. With a professional team, we possess the capacity of yearly turnover up to 2,500 units. From battery cells and modules to battery packs, we offer reliable, cost-effective equipment testing for lithium and lead-acid batteries. Our products support multiple testing modes: charging, discharging, analyzing, equalizing, activating, air leakage detection, and more. Dedicated to offer high-performance products in exceptional value. HDPOWER have already exported to more than 50 countries in the worldwide. HDPOWER, make your battery testing easier.